Welcome back to RKB Auto, the channel where we bring you detailed insights into the most exciting vehicles shaping the future of travel and adventure. Today we're exploring one of Chevrolet's boldest ideas yet, the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome Truck. It's not just a truck, not just a motorhome, but a factory-engineered blend of both, designed to give you freedom, luxury, and performance in one impressive package. In this review, we'll dive into its bold exterior styling, luxurious interior, powerful hybrid drivetrain, advanced technology, safety systems, and finally its pricing and value, to see if this could be your ultimate adventure companion. On the outside, the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome Truck immediately stands out. It carries Chevrolet's signature design DNA with a massive front grille, sculpted LED lighting, and aerodynamic body lines that make it look sleek despite its size. The motorhome body rises seamlessly from the truck cab, giving the impression of a single unified machine rather than a conversion or add-on. Chrome detailing, reinforced arches, and smooth side panels bring together rugged strength with upscale refinement. Step inside and you're greeted with an interior that feels more like a modern luxury apartment than an RV. The cockpit flows smoothly into the living space, with leather captain's chairs, soft touch materials, and wood grain finishes. The lounge features a convertible dining table and entertainment system. The kitchen comes fully equipped with induction cooking, refrigerator and smart storage, and the private rear suite includes a queen bed with panoramic windows. Even the bathroom has a full shower and eco-friendly water-saving systems. With zoned climate control, LED ambient lighting, and excellent insulation, it's a comfortable home on wheels. Powering this motorhome truck is Chevrolet's next-generation V8 hybrid diesel-electric system, producing around 550 horsepower. That means strong acceleration, high-speed confidence, and the ability to tow boats or trailers with ease. Its heavy-duty chassis and adaptive air suspension deliver a smooth ride on highways and rough terrain alike, while advanced transmission tuning keeps power delivery efficient and responsive. Technology plays a central role here. The cockpit is dominated by a huge infotainment display with voice and gesture recognition, while augmented reality navigation projects directly onto the windshield. The motorhome section is controlled by a smart ecosystem. Lighting, climate, and appliances can all be managed with voice commands or a mobile app. Onboard satellite internet, multiple charging hubs, immersive 4K entertainment, and solar panels on the roof make it perfect for both connectivity and sustainability. Safety is equally advanced. Chevrolet's Safety Shield 360 package comes standard, with adaptive cruise, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane keep assist. 360-degree HD cameras, trailer guidance, and parking assist make maneuvering stress-free. Reinforced structure, airbags, fire suppression, and emergency connectivity all ensure peace of mind on every journey. Now let's talk about price. The 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome Truck starts at around $180,000. That positions it very competitively in the premium RV space, especially considering this isn't a camper add-on, but a fully integrated factory-built motorhome compared to traditional RVs that often cost more while offering less durability and versatility. This Chevrolet strikes a unique balance of luxury, functionality, and long-term value. Add in the hybrid's fuel efficiency and Chevrolet's wide service network, and ownership becomes far more accessible than boutique RV brands. The strengths are undeniable: a rugged yet refined design, a spacious and modern interior, a hybrid powertrain with both strength and efficiency, advanced technology for modern lifestyles, and a suite of safety systems that make long trips secure and enjoyable. Whether you're a family seeking adventure, a traveler looking for off-grid comfort, or a digital nomad in search of connectivity, this motorhome truck delivers. In conclusion, the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome Truck is a bold step forward, a true blend of truck toughness and motorhome luxury. At $180,000, it offers one of the most compelling packages in today's RV market. For those who want freedom without compromise, it just might be the perfect choice. Thanks for watching RKB Auto. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Would you take the Chevrolet Motorhome Truck across the country? Until next time, drive safe, explore further, and keep chasing the open road.